Model 2013 Peugeot Partner Crew Cab 1.6 HDI starts drives needs turbo repair NU13NXF bargain. Body white panel van. Mileage 135710. Engine 1560 cc DV6 DTE DB. Transmission 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The turbo is stiff to spin, straightforward, easy bolt on repair, absolute bargain, no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.